A bad system can destroy good people. Interpretation. This means that when a system, like rules or ways things are done, is not fair or doesn't work well, it can harm people who are kind and try to do the right things. Even if someone is good, they can face problems, feel unhappy, and lose their confidence because of the bad system. It shows that systems have a big impact on people, and we should work to make them better. Knowledge is the new currency. Interpretation. This phrase means that in today's world, having information and knowing things is really valuable. Just like money is used to buy things, knowledge can help you succeed and achieve your goals. People who know a lot and keep learning can have better opportunities and make smarter choices. So, learning and knowing things is like having a valuable treasure that can help you in life. Be a good person in real life, not in social media. Interpretation. This saying advises you to show kindness and goodness in your everyday actions, not just on the internet. It's important to treat others well, help them, and be respectful when you're not online. Being nice on social media is good, but it's even more important to be genuinely good and caring in your real-life interactions with people. Your true character shines in how you treat others face to face. Always learn from the people who have done it. Interpretation. This means that you should take advice and guidance from people who have already experienced or achieved what you want to do. Learning from their experiences can help you avoid mistakes and make better choices. It's like getting directions from someone who has already traveled the same path. Their knowledge can guide you and increase your chances of success in whatever you're trying to accomplish. The biggest asset in the world is your mindset. Interpretation. This quote means that the way you think and view things is extremely valuable. Your mindset, or your attitude and beliefs, can have a big impact on your success and happiness. It's like having a superpower, because a positive and open mindset can help you overcome challenges and seize opportunities. Your thoughts and how you approach life are your greatest strengths. Hard times always reveal your true friends. Interpretation. This saying tells us that when things are difficult, you can see who your real friends are. When you're facing tough times, some people might stay by your side and support you, while others might leave. True friends show their loyalty and care during hard times, showing that they genuinely care about you. Challenges help you figure out who you can truly rely on and trust. Success embraces challenges, while failure clings to excuses. Interpretation. Success thrives on confronting challenges head-on, harnessing them as opportunities for growth. In contrast, failure tends to evade responsibility, using excuses to justify its shortcomings. This quote underscores how embracing difficulties drives success, while a pattern of excuse-making accompanies failure.